1. 1988 Chevy Silverado, $1,200, Alden, Pennsylvania. This 1988 Chevy Silverado is priced at $200. It has 150,000 miles on the odometer. While the rebuilt transmission only has 2,500 miles, the motor needs work, it's noisy and can't be driven. The truck is sold as is, with the motor having around 60,000 miles. 2. 1988 Ford F-150, $3,200. This 1988 Ford F-150 features a strong inline 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. With 195,000 miles, it's in good condition, runs well, and comes with new tires and rims, great for work or hunting. 3. 1983 Chevrolet Long Bed Pickup, $2,000 trusses. This 1983 Chevrolet Long Bed has 100,000 miles and a 350 motor with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It was a daily driver until the motor started knocking. The truck needs a trailer for pickup and is being sold as a project vehicle. 4. 1989 Ford Bronco, $3,000, Montauk, New York. This 1989 Ford Bronco is priced at $3,000 and features an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It has 87,000 miles and a solid frame, but there are some small rust spots. It's a great starter truck that needs work. 5. 1985 C4 Corvette, $3,200, Chicopee, Massachusetts. This 1985 C4 Corvette is a project car, priced at $3,200. It has a manual transmission, but the interior is gutted. New parts like the alternator, injectors, and starter have been installed. It cranks but won't start. The seller is moving, so the car must go. 6. 1989 Nissan Frontier 4x4, $2,200, Spokane, Washington. This 1989 Nissan Frontier is a 4x4 king cab with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 185,031 miles, it runs well but may need new brakes. It also has custom rear barn doors and a sleeping platform, making it an interesting option for adventurers. 1982 Volkswagen Westfalia, $6,900, Austin, Texas. The 1982 Volkswagen Westfalia is a classic camper van with around 52,000 original miles. It has a manual transmission and has received recent maintenance like spark plugs and timing. It needs a new mass airflow sensor to run perfectly, but it comes with amenities like a stove, sink, and pop-up roof. 8. 1983 GMC C10 Square Body, $9,000, Bernalillo. This 1983 GMC C10 square body features a 350 motor and a clean New Mexico title. It's in excellent condition with 180,000 miles. The transmission shifts smoothly with no leaks, and the electrical system works great. This classic truck is ready to hit the road. 9. 1984 Chevy C10, $8,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1984 Chevy C10 with an automatic transmission has an 8-cylinder engine. The odometer is broken, but it's priced at $8,500. It's a solid pickup with a clean title and the engine runs strong. 10. 1986 Ford F-150, $6,000, Townsend, Montana. This 1986 Ford F-150 features a 5.0 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has 93,224 miles and was originally a California truck. It's in good condition with many recent upgrades, including a rebuilt front end and custom exhaust. It also comes with a camper shell and LED headlights. 11. 1982 GMC K30 dump truck, $7,500, Longmont, Colorado. This 1982 GMC K30 dump truck is priced at $7,500. It's a 4x4 with a 350 motor and a 4-speed manual transmission. With an 18,000-mile odometer reading, it's been well maintained and is perfect for hauling and dumping heavy loads. The truck has a fresh emissions test and reliable performance.